Hey, it's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the Formidable. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So more or less formidable is this piece of wood with a whole bunch of tangram shapes, and you're given 3 tangram pieces. I'm actually not sure if these are to any specs, like in comparison to a regular set of tangrams, but these are all the pieces you get for this, and you're supposed to make all the shapes on this card. And that's what we'll be doing today. So I'll put it up in the corner, and we will, well, maybe right there. Anyway, we'll get started, and I'll just keep working my way down the card, and yeah. So to begin with, we'll go with this rhombus. So there's our first solution. I'll just break it apart a little bit so it's apparent. Maybe move in center a little bit better. Okay, we'll go for a rectangle next. There's a rectangle. Go to our triangle here. Next we'll go to our trap. Go to a kind of elongated rhombus. Kind of starting to head into a little bit of abstraction here. Ah, there it is. Yeah, that's it. Just like the skewed angle or something funny about that. What is funny about that? Is that not the thing? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right. Going for that one. Hopefully I've been making that clear which one I'm doing. Anyway, I think that's it. We'll go for our rectangle next. Oh, just fling it everywhere. Just did that. That's because this is probably... Why isn't that working? Because I'm backwards. It's okay, there we go. So it's a rectangle. I'm not actually really sure what I'd call that shape, but it's right there. So we're roughly halfway done. Keep going. We'll be going after this kite. Go next for that kind of elongated trapezoid. That's it. Or did I make a different shape? I made a different shape. I made this one backwards. Look at me go. Okay. What do I got going on here? Nope, that's definitely not what I'm looking to do. Must be doing something wrong. This is the shape that's going to get me. Oh boy. Yeah, there we go. Don't know why that was so difficult in migrating off center. Okay. So that's finished. So we'll move on to this one, even though we already did it, but no, I just made that rectangle again. Oh boy, running in circles. There we go. There it is. We'll move on to our second diamond kind of shape. And I think these last two were the trickiest of all of them. So there's our diamond. And we'll finish off with our triangle. Well, that was Formidable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.